Hi guys, hola, namaste. Well, I'm an exchange student from India. I'm right now staying in Mexico. My name is Ronak, and I gotta make a monologue on maths. Well, the topic which I have chosen for my monologue is how maths develops and how it goes on becoming interesting. And my experiences, like the funny parts in maths. Well, since the childhood, I've been hearing that maths is really hard. People don't like maths, they are scared of maths. But it's not like that. Maths is quite interesting and it's also very funny. I still remember my first class of maths which I had gone. The first thing which the teacher told me is that maths is a language. Well, I was like, what? No mames, maestra. ¿En serio? I always thought that languages means English, Spanish, or Hindi, my native language. But the teacher said that language of numbers. Maths is a language of numbers. That was something really interesting. Well, I still remember the numbers which I learned, especially the number 7. Well, I always thought the number 7 looks like this, but I always thought it was a nose of my father, like this. Well, that's something funny, like really funny. Then came addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I remember a test which I had. The question was 3 into 9. How much does it make? Well, I didn't have any answer for that. So, I decided to use my imagination. There are 9 planets in the solar system. So, my task was the planet 3, that's Earth, into planet 9, that's Pluto. 3 into 9. So here I am with my spaceship, planet 3 into planet 9. Well, I took it and planet 3, Earth, into planet 9. But what I got, the answer was only 3, that's planet Earth, because that's the planet only remaining. We don't have Pluto right now. So the answer to my question was 3. YOLO! En serio. But after that, the answer was wrong. I got a big moon, a 0 in my exam. But that's something interesting, because maths is really cool. Then came fractions. Numbers with lines, 1 upon 2, 4 upon 5, 6 upon 7. But I never had heard of lines in numbers. Lines to me means this, my language, Hindi, and the line you can see there. But just imagine, there is one cake and there are 6 people who want to eat the cake. So you got to divide one piece into 6 different parts, which makes it 1 upon 6. That's something interesting, right? So these are the small parts of maths which are quite interesting and which have funny parts. Then came integers, positive, negative, decimals, 3.14, 2.5. Points? Points are used in English languages in sentences, full stops. Then why is it in maths? Dios mío. Maths is really complicated. Then came geometry, figures, rectangles, squares, circles which looked like eggs, moons, but which was something interesting. Algebra, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Oh my god, now letters and numbers. Maths is really complicated, but at the same part, it's really interesting. Something which you have to use in daily life, something you gotta make it the most. In India, everyone loves maths, and that's a really important part. Entonces, mate es muy importante para todos. Gracias.